there's some reindeer.
3,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's cool. I didn't expect it to have lights. Texas State Railroad. Oh. The Polar Express. So cool. Oh, why did I bring my coat? I just wanted to leave it in the car.
In a wedding.
I'll be on this side, that makes sense.
We're here at the Polar Express.
It's cold.
Yeah, but Sam's too cool to wear a coat. But look, we got these red
we're all
plaid
matching and we got
jackets.
the same pants.
I know, right? Look at her pants. The Believe ticket in the background. We love Polar Express. It's fun. This is the first time we're doing this.
Oh, look, they got a Christmas ornament.
Oh, Texas State Railroad. But it doesn't say Polar Express. Look, these are cool. Cool.
Round trip.
The Polar Bear Express book is so cute. Oh, it's so soft. Intense stare. These are cool. Why isn't it working?
Maybe that was good.
Alright, I broke it. Ooh, look at that! Yeah! The caboose. Oh.
Can we get closer? It says here, no photo with Santa, no letter to Santa, and you made your sister put out milk-and cookies. Sounds to me like this is your crucial year. If I were you, I'd think about climbing on board. Ooh, come on, I got a set for you. Are there any other boys and girls out there that would like to go to the North Pole? I think we can be louder than that. Who wants to go to the North Pole? The Polar Express.
Go ahead. How you feeling?
I am very excited, and the introduction they did to the train was so cool. And they look much like the movie.
North Pole. Who's ready to go to the North Pole? Tickets, please, tickets. Well, you're coming. Never take a rest.
Why is it so dark? This lighting. Hot chocolate.
There it is. We made it. And not a minute to spare.
I see it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the North Pole! Make sure you wave high to the Alps. They do love attention. Oh my goodness, it's Santa!
Sing it, please. Sing it, sing it. I'll sing all. Sing it.
I should turn on my flash.
Put you right there.
Joy.
I think they are.
Of course they do. Joy. That's a good word. Look over there. Yeah, I know. Whoa, it does sound magical.
I see it.
In the distance.